What's up, guys? So today we're at full tilt. We're gonna have Bruce kind of explain what we're doing today. We're working on the car, the Cobra, obviously, but I'm just gonna have Bruce explain kind of what we're doing and kind of the importance of what we're gonna be doing today.
Yep. Today we're gonna be checking the torque on the half shaft retaining nut on the rear IRS. This is something that should probably be done either at every oil change or at least spring and fall of every year, because the importance of that torque on that nut determines the life of your rear hub bearing. If that axle nut comes loose, the hub bearing is going to self-destruct itself probably within 500 or 1,000 miles. Then once the bearing is just self-destructed, then the hub starts getting damaged. And there's a lot of labor involved changing that rear knuckle bearing and or hub. So this is good preventive maintenance for you to keep that half shaft retaining nut torqued to 240 to 250 foot-pounds with a 36 millimeter 6-point deep well socket, which we'll be using. And if you find out your nut has worked loose, you're probably going to want to replace that nut and probably put a little bit of red Loctite on those threads to prevent that thing from loosening up.
Pop the wheel off. You don't have to pop the wheel off. You can pop your center cap off and get at it. It's just easy for me to pop this off. So we're just going to pull the wheel off that you guys get a better idea of what's all kind of going on here. So I'm just going to jack it up. All right. Take a 19 mil. Wide meats. Look at that. Like it. All right, so we got the torque wrench set to 250, and then we've got a 36 millimeter deep socket on here. Get it on the nut, and all right, so we're good. Check it again. So we're set. So I'm good. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Won't bore you guys with the other side, but yeah, so definitely, like Bruce was saying, check every oil change. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't take that much to pop your wheel off or just pop your center cap off, and then check the torque. It's gonna save you money down the road and keep your car running as good as possible for as long as possible. So anyway, guys, hopefully this video helped. If it did, give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing, that helps me out a bunch, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.